Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how easy it is to make some butternut squash fries in the air fryer, but I'm not just doing any, I'm doing peri-peri flavour. This is brilliant for if you love peri-peri chips from Nando's, but what you want is you want a healthier version. So we're swapping the white potatoes for some butternut squash, and it's also perfect for if you've got some leftover butternut squash or some leftover peri-peri seasoning, and then you can combine the two. And that's exactly what we've been doing really, because we've got one of those bake in a bag Nando's packs because we just wanted the sachet out of it, and it was on a cheaper deal than buying the seasoning separately. So we got rid of the bag because they're not air fryer safe, and then we used it to make some peri-peri chicken and chips. And then we've also done it to make a really good mix of different vegetables in the air fryer. And then for our final installment, we wanted to show you how to do this with some butternut squash. So for ingredients, it's really simple. And you know, whilst normal 5 ingredient recipes don't include the salt and pepper, this does, because you literally just need butternut squash, some extra virgin olive oil, peri-peri seasoning, and salt and pepper. It's just so simple. So make sure you've got your butternut squash already chopped. This is from just over half of a butternut squash, because you notice it's like some of them can be really good for size and others aren't as good. So, and then we've got this, which is how much peri-peri seasoning we've got left. And like I said, this is our 3rd recipe using the seasoning mix. So just shows you how far it goes. But I want to leave some because we all love it the way that when you get your Nando's peri-peri chips, they always have some sprinkling of the seasoning on top before serving. So put that to one side. Of course, add in your salt and pepper. Give it a good generous seasoning. And then we're ready to mix everything together. So get your hands in. You want that lovely seasoning all over the butternut squash chips. Don't be shy, keep mixing. So you've got a lovely colouring to it. Don't they look lovely? I mean, look at that for a chip. That's fantastic. So now they're done, a quick wipe of the hands, and then we can get the air fryer on. Right, hands wiped. Air fryer basket open. And then spread them out so that they're like this. And then let's get them on. So we're working with 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and we're going to start with a cook time of 18 minutes, and then I can check on them and see how they're doing, because it's quite a small portion that I've done here considering the size of the air fryer. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So shall we check on these butternut squash fries so far? Oh, are you British and you're going to tell me off for not calling them chips? Well, I'm British as well. But because I got into butternut squash from the Americans and followed butternut squash fries recipes for the oven before I got an air fryer, the fries to me, unfortunately. So I've given them a quick spray with some olive oil. This can help give them a lovely golden texture. And I'm just adding an extra sprinkling of the peri-peri, and then we can put them back on. So I'm going, same temperature again, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to give them another 3 minutes. And we're doing our final beeps, so shall we check on these butternut squash fries? And wow, don't they look lovely? Let me give you a close-up of those. And there they are, don't they look fantastic? So I normally do a fork test just to make sure the fork tender. So, oh, look at how easy that went through the fork. That was brilliant. Let me grab a few for you. You can see there just how brilliant they look. Oh, that's just amazing. So now, got my plate out. I did Whole 30 and Paleo for quite a bit. So in that, you were often replacing your potatoes with butternut squash. And one of the things I used to always do was fries like this in the air fryer. So now, more peri-peri seasoning. Mix them up a bit, they're a bit hot there, but I'm just getting that little extra bit of seasoning on, and then a little extra sprinkling on top. And you've got peri-peri butternut squash fries done in the air fryer, and wow, don't they look fantastic. I can't wait to tuck in. So the butternut squash has had a chance to cool down, and let's try some, shall we? Oh, I mean, wow. I mean, who doesn't love butternut squash? Oh yeah, I remember now. It's clear as day. The husband doesn't like it. So that means it's brilliant because I can have a butternut squash to myself in the air fryer and I don't have to share it with anyone. Brilliant. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.